Today we are going to be working with Duck Duck Moose's Superhero app. If you have been following any of our app adventures, this app may seem like two that we've done before, Draw and Tell and the Princess app, which is the fairy tale app we just used. So today we are going to go over the Superhero Comic Book Maker app. And when you open it up, there are 3 rectangle boxes. The orange box is where all of your videos will be held. The green box is for coloring pages, and you could use those as your background. Today we're going to focus on the purple box, the Comic Book Maker. I'm going to tap on the purple rectangle which says Comic Maker, and when I do, all of the backgrounds come up, and you will notice a picture of 2 silly boys. That means you can go into your camera roll and pick a background from your camera, make a picture from your camera roll, a background, or you will also see a white space which allows you to draw your background. So I am going to click on my first scene, dun 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 dun, and now I need a superhero. And she will be my main character. And let's see who else I can find. I am going to make this our chief. And now I can tap on the little monster in the right hand corner. I have the option of using crayons, colored pencils, erasing, and adding anything I'd like. But I think I'm ready to record my first scene. So I'm going to tap the microphone in the middle.
Record your voice. You can also move the stickers while you talk. 3, 2, 1, go!
Superhero Susan, we have a very important job for you to do. What's that? There has been monsters stealing coffee on planet Earth. Oh no! I'm off! And I made that nice and short because that is just scene 1. So if I hit the blue box in the corner, in the left-hand corner, you can see that it is saved, and I am going to organize them in a moment to create one movie. So I'm going to go back, and I'm ready for my second scene. So this one will happen here. And we need my superhero back. And I have, oh, this one looks like he might steal some coffee. What do you think? And then maybe this one. So you see that they make sounds when you tap on them. Cha-cha-cha. And I'm going to make them smaller by tapping on their belly. And a box will appear. And so all I'm doing right now is I am putting my finger on the arrow in the corner to resize them. There we go. And I think I would like some sunshine. So I am going to tap on my crayon, find the yellow, and create a little sunshine in the background. And how about a cloud? And I think I'm ready to go. Once again, I'm going to tap on the microphone.
Go!
Hey, you two, what are you doing? I am Superhero Susan, and I have come to save planet Earth from monsters who are stealing coffee. Oh, that wouldn't be us. We don't look like we would steal coffee, do we? Yeah, I don't think so. And I'm stopping there. And once again, you'll see that it is saved.
Drag and drop one scene onto another to create a comic strip.
And now I can put them together. So remember, this was my first one. And I just dragged it and placed it on top of my second scene. And so here is my beginning. Here is my middle. And now I am ready to go ahead and create the end scene. And I'm ready to record.
Oh!
You two are going to stay here until you can learn to do good things on planet Earth. No, we won't steal any more coffee. Yes, you will stay here until you learn to be good. And there we go. And that is my end. So I am going to now save that and click and drag it. So now I have a beginning, middle, and end. Tap.
Pick a comic to save to your photos.
And I'm going to save it to my photos, all 3 of them. And they will all merge together as one long video. And when I go into my camera roll, it is there and I am ready to upload it to Seesaw. I cannot wait to see what superhero comic you are going to create.